when does it make sense for you to participate in this course? Well, let's start it from that angle. When doesn't it make sense to participate? Well, first, if you have no interest in IT, then it's really not a good idea to join this course or spend time on that, because you're not gonna get happy with it. And obviously, interest is such a strong motivator, and without that, yeah, it doesn't make sense. Similarly, if you expect to get rich quickly with little effort, this is also not gonna work. You might try other sites, but with this course, you actually have to put some effort into it, and there's also no guarantee that you can become rich. The chances are quite good, actually, as you can see in other tutorials, especially the one on economics. But it's you have to definitely do something for it. Uh, Also, it doesn't make sense, or you most likely you're gonna get quite disappointed when you wanna get hired as a software developer, because this course doesn't teach you how to program. There is only one smaller part of this whole course that actually deals with programming, and this is in the client. So only there you have to do the programming. And so this is certainly not a course. If there are much better courses suited if you really want to start a career as app developer or as a mobile developer for someone else. The course here is about how you can implement your own ideas. And finally, this course and the app development guide in particular is not suited for graphics intense games like Counter-Strike, Crysis, or Farmville, or some racing mobile apps. It Because then you need to work with a game engine, and this is as of now this is not covered in the tutorials. You can do functional apps like messenger apps, Uber apps, QuizDuel apps, all of that. You can also do simple graphic games like Sudoku version, for instance, or if you know 2048, this game. Those games are perfectly these games you can do with this course as well. Also, if there is interest, I can do a special tutorial on augmented reality, so Pokemon Go and stuff like that. There is a library out there that should work, and I haven't looked into that, but this is also some. So if you're still with me, when does it actually make sense to participate in the course? Well, first, if you want to be your own boss, actually, that's pretty cool. Obviously, it's not easy. It's actually very challenging, but it also can be very rewarding. Regardless now of whether you become a millionaire or not, just the fact that you are be your own boss, that's actually really really nice. Also, you really don't need to invest or risk a lot of money, and potentially you can make actually quite some big money with it. Having said that, don't start with app development with the intention or with the main goal to become an app billionaire. This is not gonna work, and you're gonna get disappointed. Rather, set yourself realistic goals, also revenue and income wise, and you will. I'm pretty sure actually. Well, there are really realistic chances that you can actually achieve those goals then. Also, another thing, if you, I personally find it very rewarding and satisfying if other people use your creative works, because app development, writing software code, developing applications is much like writing novels or writing music, making music. Most likely not gonna get as many groupies as musicians, but still, it's the mere fact of actually creating work for others is actually quite satisfying. Also, if you participate in this course, you can improve your general skills, the general IT project management skills. Also, personality-wise, you're gonna develop your own personality, because you need to do all different kinds of things, and these are assets that, regardless of how your app actually turns out, if you're financially successful or not, these the way itself is the goal in a way, and you learn a lot, and these assets are very useful for any kind of regular job that is later on.